It's 2 a.m. and you're craving a Reese's peanut butter cup, but you don't want to go out to the store. No problem. Just make it yourself, like master clone cook Todd Wilbur, who has deciphered hundreds of recipes for our favorite commercial foodstuffs.
And this is, see that?
The key to this copycat candy is picking proper peanut butter.
About a cup. Actually, the low-fat stuff does seem to work a little bit better for this. It's not as gooey.
Too much goo and you end up with glue. And since we've lowered the fat, we can raise the sugar.
That goes in there because it's a sweetened peanut butter in the middle of a Reese's. And it's it's kind of dry, it's not creamy. And this will help give us that taste and consistency.
Fat, sugar, and salt, the three important food groups for snack foods mixed to perfection.
All the powdered sugar will be mixed in with the peanut butter. It'll kind of look like dough. And if it doesn't fly out of the bowl, you're just not doing it right. And we'll put this in the microwave for about a minute. And this way it'll get nice and soft so we can load it into the chocolate cups a lot easier. Ah, yeah, see that? That's perfect. Hard little chocolate shells.
The secret to hard chocolate shells is muffin cups. Simply cut the tops in half.
That's the beauty of cloning at home.
Then smear the inside with melted chocolate. They'll harden in about 30 minutes. Keep these on hand at all times for snacking emergencies. And now, it's time for the union of chocolate and peanut butter. But wait, the cups have to chill out. It looks like your midnight snack will have to be for breakfast.
Take some more chocolate. If it gets stiff on you, just pop it in the microwave for 10 or 15 more seconds.
The cups are ready for caps. A layer of chocolate coating completes the confection.
Chocolate on top. Going all the way to the edge. Make it nice and flat.
Todd's creation is a convincing counterfeit.
And the insides look very similar. This is my favorite.
I now pronounce you peanut butter cups. You may consume the candy.